Hi everyone, my name is Whitney.
And I am Danielle, and we're here to explain to you how to get your marriage license here in Las Vegas.
This is actually one of our most frequently asked questions, so we're going to go over it in detail in this video. The first step is to pre-apply for your marriage license online. While not required, this will save you time and hassle at the Marriage License Bureau, so it's strongly recommended. To pre-apply, visit the License and Docs section on vegasweddings.com and select I'm Getting Married. Scroll down and click on Fill out the pre-application form. Read through the instructions and click Continue to the marriage license pre-application. Carefully fill out the application form and click Submit Application at the bottom of the page. That's it, you're on to step 2.
The next step is to go in person to the Marriage License Bureau, which is located at 201 East Clark Avenue in the downtown Las Vegas area. You'll each need to bring an approved form of government-issued ID, which we suggest driver's license or passport. The cost of the marriage license is $77. After you obtain your marriage license from the county, the next step is to actually get married. You have a year to do this.
Now we get to the fun part, the wedding. One of our licensed ministers will perform your ceremony and take care of the paperwork afterwards. On the day of the ceremony, you'll leave with a souvenir marriage certificate. This document has no legal value but is a great reminder of your special day. Your minister has 10 days to file your marriage certificate with the county, and then you will need to order your proof of marriage.
After the ceremony, you are legally married, but the next step is you will need to get the legal documentation, which is the certified certificate. You'll need this documentation for all legal purposes, such as changing a last name or getting on your spouse's health insurance. Vegas Weddings offers an expedited service to obtain the certified certificate. Please reach out to your planner for more details about this service.
You can also easily order your certificate online at vegasweddings.com. We hope that you now feel more comfortable with the process of getting your marriage license.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, please contact us.
You can call us at 702-933-3464.